Yeah, so let's get the link going. Um, doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm just waiting for the stream to pop up on my YouTube channel. Doesn't seem to be popping up. Man, sometimes it takes so long. Ah, it's right here. So I don't know if it's possible to disable the fucking top fencing. It's kind of goofy. I really don't like. Oh, I can have a pop-out chat. Oh, this is cool. I can have it in a pop-out way. It might be even better than having OBS, to be honest. So, how do I close the OBS one? Yes, okay. You go here, and the chat goes there. Oh yeah, that's cool. Still need the link. Do 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 do. Nice. Oh shit. There was a way to put dark theme, but okay, whatever. So I was taking a look at Tiny parser. It looks really, really small and simple, and it's at the same time one of the most important things. So, and it makes use of the oh, nice. Makes use of the what is it called? OS file, yeah. So maybe I'll move the source code to another screen. Wait, let me just quickly check something here. Okay. Okay, nothing too important. Alrighty. Pa, 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 pa. Yeah, so open-tobey. These guys. So maybe I should move this here. Okay. And new line. Let's take a look at new line. Okay, it's in the other file. Okay. Looks exactly like this. So any parser, is it a child class? I didn't check it. Okay, that's OS developer options. I don't give a shit. Okay, it's any parser. So let's just do Shift F1. Struct ini parser. Go. 2.4. Fuck. So, array 2.4. Okay. Is it a const char, I guess? This might be wrong. Line. What's the name of the thing? Its name is line. Okay, the name is line. This is line. Right. And of course it's a char pointer. Yeah, I'll remove the const from here. And the other one is scan position. It's right before this one. Perfect. All right, let's try to find it in this version over here, right? So new line. There's, okay, it's right up there. So they call OS file and while get token. Oh, interesting. Mm-hmm. Hey, come on, man. So I believe it might have gotten inlined. It's kind of a shame, but we can look for it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks like this one, right? Yeah, okay, it's this one. So just go here, struct ini parser, and do what the heck? Didn't work. Oh, my bad. Yeah, okay. So didn't work as well as I expected. So this is a line, and this is a scan position. So name of this, okay, this ini parser parse. If I can find it. This guy over here. And so there's parse. Okay, it should be around here. Or, okay, I think I know what's going on. Oh, wait, this guy is OS developer options get. It's this guy. New line, okay. Yeah, this guy over here is a function, yeah. And this ini parser, yeah, exactly. And it doesn't return shit. So that's good. All right, time to actually start working on it. Hey, is this for a game? Yeah, it's for Spider-Man the movie game. But yeah, so this ini parser nil line. I've been streaming this for a while too. Okay, so ini spidey source ini. What? Oh, maybe I didn't include the ini parser yet here. That's cool. I guess. So here, spidey source, AI parser CPP. Okay, that's cool. You go here. And we can do void validate ini parser. So should have the definitions here. So these 204 and that's 200. So 204 Alrighty-o. So now I need to add the files for it to build. It cannot find validate ini parser, that's obvious, and that's because I need to add ini parser, this guy here. The headers are not really necessary to be added, but I prefer to add them regardless. And now it should build. File manager, okay, that's interesting. So file, maybe I can ignore that file manager. So let's just do a patch here and see whether this works. Okay, I see what's the issue here. It's this guys. I should friend class. Yes. So hmm. This is kind of a creative way to do DSLs, like using macros. I'm quite impressed by this, I gotta be honest. Okay, this should be enough. Undeclared validate size. Okay. This is good. It means that it reached that. My assertions. .h. I need to look into file manager. .h. But nothing is used of file manager. So I guess it just, okay. Is it file.h? Maybe I'll just include os file.h. This is much better, right? Line cannot access. Oh, okay. I see what they mean. What they want me to do is friend void validate ini parser. No, it should work. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work. Opts. Oh shit. Okay. I need to add more comments. Okay, this guy. I can just do return true, and I guess this should be enough to shut the compiler. No, it doesn't. So I'll just do this. So is it isn't? Wait. Okay. I was trying to remember the Vim keybind to go to the matching. Okay. That's good. And for this, I'll use the validator. So let me try to make use of the validator, right? So I forgot where I have open-tobey validator exe. Maybe I can bring it to the path. Yeah. Just waiting for this to load. Data in database. Yeah, that's what happens. Maybe I should enable the service for everything, because I use it very rarely, and then it needs to rebuild the index. There it is. Maybe I can just copy it. copy, and okay, now it was quick. Alrighty, so this is good. I know that at least, okay, let me comment this. The offsets are fine, so I can go ahead with line. Go ahead with the disassembly. Really cool stuff. Toby. Who the fuck is Toby? Airline. Yeah, it's matching. That's cool. So now I can add a patch to it. It's not going to. So patch. Okay. Okay. It's cool. And INI parser. New line. And go to DLL main. And add another patch. Yeah, patch. Very nice. So it should be working fine. I just put anything like this to prevent, yikes, some bad things from happening. Have new, git status, git if, yeah. INI parser, new line. Okay. So what's next? And get token. That's kind of funny. Huh. Right here. Another one. That is ignored. Okay. Same thing over here. Let's go down here and bam. What is this all about? So start token. Interesting. Oh, it's a char. So this. Yeah, good, good. Okay, start token. So let me just quickly validate this. And yeah. Okay, the validation was successful, which is really good to see. So, and get token was right there, export. Okay, matching. Yeah, this is the part of the code that I don't think they will touch very often. You know, you only need to get ini parsing right once and then just change the developer flags for the game. You know, that's the code that runs, you know, only once. Okay, my bad. So the ini parser only runs once, so on game boot. So as long as the logic works and is not hogging the startup that much, I guess no one will give a shit. Yeah, this is basically what's going on. Yeah, so and get token. You can also add it there. So and get token. So let's do it this way. And okay, matching. No untracked files. Oh yeah. Wait, what? Oh shit. Okay. Okay, it. Okay, maybe I should also save the workspace. Workspace. Git commit. Okay, I'll do just any parser and get token. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, okay, this looks good. So build token, get token. Okay, let's do the smaller despecified token. That's an interesting name, I gotta say. So start token, start type, start num. Maybe I can find it around here. So this is the big one is parse, right? Okay, this is the despecify. This guy. So just go here. Yeah, it looks like better at doing that. So here, ini parser. So string length, despecify. So cur token. What is this cur token? Yeah, not an yeah, okay, this is incorrect. So this is this call, and there's this, and there's a char pointer cur token. Yeah, this is how it should look like. And it's not returning anything. I guess this is correct. I guess so. So let's try it, right? Big man Toby Maguire. Okay. The specify token, yeah. Looks good. So even though it's this call, there's nothing happening that will justify it being a this call. I guess that's why it's labeled as STD call there. So that's really cool to see. And this specify token over here. Okay, matching. Git commit. NEI parser. Specify token. Fuck. Need to drink some water, my god. Okay, this is a small one, I guess. Okay, okay. Let me actually fix this. Okay. Yeah, this looks acceptable. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Take a look at build token, right? So I guess it's supposed to be build token. Char, yeah, this is build token. So what's the parameter name? Cur token. Nice. And it actually returns. So what is this I? Current line. Oh, current line. Okay. Oh wait, current line, current token. It's okay. My bad. So there's the current line and current token. Yeah. Okay. I was missing that. Okay. Let me just export it. Let me export more than that. Okay, get token. Mr. Maguire. I love finding the functions that are not, used. Such a cool thing. I have too many. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Okay, I have too many things open. Kind of making it hard. Okay, here's the music. Maybe I should start using foobar to play the music. It will be less annoying, to be honest. Alrighty. So now I should look at this guy. And I should look at build token. Looks pretty good to me. So 13, 61, 0. So just to be sure, 52.8. Is it also 52.8? Yes, it is. Now it's time to look at this. Okay, good. Let me give proper names. So card token, Caroline, and here I give it Caroline. Caroline. Okay. Yeah. Looks good. Yep. Yep, this is really good. Okay. So you can just go here to this part and do build token. And then go to build token and do OK. Matching. Git commit NEI parser. Build token. Okay. Yeah, this is the function that I just did. Alrighty, so the next one is this larger one called get token. So I know that this is get token, but let me take a look at the differences here. Yeah. So let's try to look at this way. Okay, looks good in here, in there. Seems to already be inlining stuff. Uh-oh. Yeah, I need to. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's fine. So what I need to do in order to fix this is go to build token, this guy, and put an inline, and to this specify. I know that they use best thing, whatever, for inlining, but best case scenario or something along those lines. I'm not really interested in that. Get token. Okay, now let's just go to the bottom. Okay, it's the same number of lines, which is already really good heuristic. So more precisely, let's take a look at 1C9C. So 1C9C. This is really cool stuff. Should I go to the assembly level? Seems to be fine. Just compare it super quickly to... What are these 209 things and 20A? Okay, there might be something for me to actually... This occur token. Token type. Ooh, store token. Okay, this is important. I should definitely, even though they are matching here, I should be more careful. I believe they will be matching regardless, but it pays off to be cautious. In my opinion, there's not enough testing or validation that we can do to be sure. I don't know why this sometimes happens, but I find it so funny. Why there's a displacement there. So yeah. So ini parser, right? So there's this, and this, I guess. Oh shit. So 209 is start type, num value is start num. Cur token is token. The fuck is token? Max file name length 256, right? Yeah. Scan position. This guy over here, char token is beautiful. Am I missing something? File name. I get, okay, so I'm just missing the file name now. Is really, so char file name, yeah, okay. This guy over here. So get token. Let's save this here. Yeah. So ini parser. Yeah. Nice. So you get this. What's the big deal? Good. Oh. Huh. So yeah. Edit the type. So what you need to do, char file name, char What was the other token? Start type. Yeah, let me bring back snip paste. Forgot that this is such a great tool. Alrighty. I was using it so much, then I stopped using it. I don't know why. So, yeah. So file name should be at 0. Token should be at 100. And now start type and start num. That is here, and this guy is here. So 9. Yeah, it looks good to me. Yeah, I need to. Okay, validation was successful. So I can say that get token, not you, this, okay, matching. I don't think we'll be able to do these right now, but maybe very, very soon. Not that guy. So, how about I just boot up the game and try to play? I guess that will be good enough for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 patches, except parse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good. So let's just run copy sh. And yep, let's start the video game. Okay. The X window. So here it is. 90 thunks optimized. That's insane. So yeah, I just parsed the new INI file, and as you can see, it still shows the these options that I changed. I forgot which options are different than the regular ones. But yeah, okay. It's working just fine. So INI parser. I haven't done the constructor. Is there even a constructor? There is definitely a destructor. So let's take a look at this version over here. INI parser. Okay, it doesn't seem to show anything. Kind of weird. If we I was calling any parser. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can go through here, through this guy. OS developer options. I think I commented, yeah. Oh, that's the constructor over there. Okay. Mm-hmm. So looks like there's kind of inherent relationship between these two functions, and which makes this trickier to solve, but this is not impossible. So just fuck this guy. This guy. Yeah. It looks fine. Is this still how I called it? If you do this, it will properly name the function now. So this, you do this, bam. Now this is suddenly readable. Out of nowhere. Arch free. Okay. That's understandable. So I like to do parse, but I need to wait on OS developer options, you see. This is kind of a chicken and egg problem because it looks like these classes were made like at the same time, or they have this kind of symbiotic relationship. And that's not bad, but maybe I can start targeting the constructor of developer options. And that's a better thing to do. Because it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to properly address this. I have no idea. String buff now. Okay, this is just wrong. So this is a void pointer. Okay, that's a v table. Yeah. J init parser. Okay. Yeah, so here you can see the set root dir stuff. That on the PC doesn't seem to exist, which is fine. I guess it literally ends at parse. So game ini. Huh. Well, this looks silly, but it doesn't seem that game. Oh yeah, never mind. So this is what it's calling. Okay. So, construct array 812. So 8 is the size and it's 12 strings. Here it's 10 strings. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little trickier. So let's see how am I gonna get myself out of this sticky situation. So dev opt flags, dev opt strings, that's fine. So I just need to add them. Let's just go here and go dev opt flags. These are dev opt flags.h here. And try these are dev opt. I know these are not correct, but that's fine. And what's the other thing? Dev opt ints. Okay. Okay, so now I think I can uncomment most of the code. I don't even know if singleton is right though. I'll just F7 this and see how it goes. Singleton, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I never checked whether singleton was correct or not. Should definitely pay find singleton class. A version that gives us full cover no, will not be available until the project is in. So, okay, define and declare. Static class name inst. So what's the point of singleton pointer? Oh wait, it being the static variable, so we are using that's dynamically allocated instead. And with the static variable being the instance. Okay, that's very strange. Is inst, okay. So let's look for create inst. Kind of interesting this. Create inst. Ah, okay, I see. That's what happens at game boot up. Alrighty. How do I make sure that everything singleton related is fine though? Singleton. Yeah. So I need to inst, right? Static singleton. So Oh no, okay, here I have the proper thing. Num flags. Think I can uncomment this now. It will make sense. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Flag defaults. Oh yeah, okay. I know where they come. Right up here. This guy. I need a tiling window manager so bad. Arch, debug print, malloc high. Okay, interesting. I think I already have ngl printf. So mm-hmm. Fix me. So ngl. I need to see how do they do proper. Okay, source ngl. Okay, I need to have an ngl file. Alrighty-o. So what I need to do is in ini parser cpp just include ngl. So here just do ngl.h and it will automatically track the file and implement it. Infinite, I mean. Static mem. That's crazy. Is it really in static mem? Or I put it in static mem just to shut you up. Static mem. No, it's true. It's indeed there. I can just put it extern and it'll be happy. Redefinition with different linkage. Fucking heck. I think I know what to do. Put export, right? Okay, it worked. So debug print and arch malloc high. So ini file is open. That's the function that oh. I see. And then it calls arch free. Arch free. Not you. So you do arch free. Let's take a look at all of the implementations. Check malloc lock, mem malloc. Yeah, it looks like always the same thing. So malloc high, arch. Oh, here it calls archalock. Archmalloc, I mean. That's interesting. Where's the definition of check malloc lock? Of course, that GitHub does not help me with that. So check malloc lock. Looks like to be here. And interesting. So So this doesn't seem to be used for anything. So red written and just seems to be constantly increased, I guess. And then there's the string malloc failed, which is quite I don't really care about this, right? But it kind of concerns me in a way. So, maybe I can just put a breakpoint and try to see what the heck is going on there. So, here, you go here. So let's just start the game and see when does it stop. Debugger open, please. So I just need to do restart admin. I have no idea why this instance is still open. So attach here, and yeah, okay. So it should, okay. This guy, breakpoint, following dump. No, not that guy. Following dump, this guy. What is this guy's purpose though? If he has a purpose. So hardware access the words. Only seems to be there though. Yeah, okay. Should I really care about this? I don't think so. Seems to be kind of bogus. There's the malloc failed stuff. It looks like the total number of allocations going up. Oh, there's a demo load that I can take a look at. Demo. So demo load. Huh, it doesn't seem to be a thing. Let's take a look here. Demo load. Yep. So arch malloc. Yeah, indeed. My malloc count. Okay. Yeah, makes sense now. So it seems to be memmalloc, which not very surprised. So size, description, line, flags. Tag a location. Interesting. Oh, good, good. Okay, I think I found it. So hmm. I don't know what the hell is going on here, but I find it funny. What the fuck? Parse. Okay. Come back here. My god, this thing is quite weird. Okay. I don't think I should stress that much about this. So this is malloc, apparently. I can do that. And then it calls OS, yeah, whatever. Then it seems to call OS malloc. I really care about with all of those jumps. I think it's just, you know, too much bullshit. So malloc hi. Let's just do arch malloc, which I'd say it's more than enough. You know, the game doesn't crash, so all of that debug stuff is kind of bogus. Undeclared identifier. Right. I have no idea what that shit is doing. I didn't care. Okay. Does it build now? Arch malloc. Okay. I'm trying to understand that extra parameter that's not doing anything. Hmm. Interesting. They all seem to call with similar parameters. It's definitely only one parameter. But if I do something like this, okay. Apparently there was some locals and whatever. Mamalog. No, wait. So just to be sure, that's archmalloc. For fuck's sake. Archmalloc, which calls mamalog. This guy. Okay, so I can static and sign counter plus plus. And what else do I need here? I have malloc size if result error malloc failed return result. I guess this is enough. Error and debug print. Okay, error. I think I can just what should I import for this? I guess it's part of the globals and stuff. I forgot where does error come from? Okay, I can include this guy, error message. So where does debug print come from? Debug print comes from debug.h. Okay. All right, let's just add Spidey source debug. Oh, it already exists. So ini parser. Just go here and include debug. Or I can go to global. What the fuck? Let's just do this. Are you serious? Void debug print. Let's just do it this way and see what it is. ngl printf. Okay, that's serious stuff. So shit. Yeah, it's right. ngl pc. Trying to build ngl pc. That's the problem. That's the thing, the defines and things come from other places. So there's kind of this weird separation that's not really a separation. It's from types. So I can do include spidey tm source types. Maybe this helps. Of course it does. What the fuck? It should. Oh, yeah. I see what's going on. This is a problem. Export. So. Yeah, this is kind of shit, not gonna lie. But yeah. So it's my export. Yeah. Not a big fan of this, but whatever. It works, it works. Output debug string A. Okay, so now lean this guy. And this should build. Okay. So what the fuck? This builds, but this is not perfect. I still need to fix a couple things. What else is missing here? So this builds, which is acceptable. Just take a look with item. Yeah, this is cool. Unsuspend. What the fuck? Ah, okay. Okay, now I understand what's going on here. There's someone using this function, that's fine. So there's something that I want to do in ini parser, right? And what I want to do is go to free and replace with arch free. So it makes it easier to port. So void arch free pointer free pointer. That's basically what is there to do. Arch free. So it's part of arch-alloc. Right here. Okay. So there's stuff still to be done. Debug print. Okay, I want to get this. Okay, parsing. Is there that many strings going on? Because if I can just delete them, I'd rather do it. String cmp mangled gl printf jos report. So parsing. So okay, that's debug print. I can see. Alrighty, mangled. So did they actually touch that code? Debug print. So there's a debug print over here. Doesn't mean much though. And those are ngl printf. Yeah, okay. Error, okay. So what's the problem with debug print? What's the deal with airline food? Am I right? Okay. And declare identifier. So if I go here and do include debug, it works. What the fuck? What the inline debug print. That's kind of crazy. That's not how debug print was done. Okay, let's just reload the thing. I'm curious to see what the compiler does to it. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that I might need to fix around here. Okay. Huh. So what does build final mean? Debug util? What the fuck? There's debug util CPP. None of the functions referenced in this module should ever get referenced in the release version. Yeah, you totally succeeded in that, and god damn it. Okay. So I can start by what the fuck? Not you. So parse. Now I can avoid the whole thing. What's the problem if I go to global, right? Okay. I go to global and uncommon debug. Why does it shit on everything like this? What's the deal? Missing. Quite weird. The fuck? I wonder how does this even build, because so here patch can go away. If def debug, yeah, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Now I understand why it's full of. Yeah, that's man. C++ compilers should just. I have no idea who the fuck. What the fuck, man? What's the actual issue, man? What the heck? Unexpected. Yeah, it's so fucking unexpected. Ah, I see what it means. You know what? Global can eat a dick. I still have no idea why global includes debug there. One error, debug, print, ini parser. Okay. Let's just do include debug.h. So yeah. I need to fix this. It's way off. Yikes. It looks really good, I need to admit. But the problem, yeah. So this is good. So I just removed a bunch of prints. So, okay. I guess I can slowly improve this. So this guy is kind of an annoying thing, but parse. Where is it? Where is it? So is he actually doing this though? Pseudocode A. I do this. Okay, okay. By the tm source debug util.cpp. Well, what I'm gonna do is that debug print okay. So at least include debug.h. This fella over here. That's fine. And then I just need to add by DTM sources debug util cpp. Yeah, that's basically that. Okay, but I need to nuke this thing. Debug print num flags, num ints. So ini parser. Flags. Okay, defaults. Okay. Here selects the D. That's interesting. Okay. Ah. XYD, not XYZ. Okay, string names. So we get X for the name in the enum. Then, oh, so this is the enum name defaults. That's cool. So for the flags, 102. What is it like? Yeah, okay, it's kind of different and the same. Yep. Uh, okay. These are the flag defaults. That's cool. Okay. Here I have the flag defaults. And I guess the int defaults and then the strings. Their defaults right over here. String defaults. Right, I guess it is actually the string default. There's only 10 strings. Okay. 17 int. Okay. So they basically prefix stuff. Okay. Dev and so int is literally the same. Mm-hmm. Like int string. Okay. So do is the type of thing to go to. I don't even need to patch as far as I know, game patches. Yeah, it can run afterwards, runtime patches. So dumper, I'll call it dumper, okay. Okay. It's 102 as far as I know. So there's 102. And okay. Okay, good. Cannot convert from const char to char. That indeed is true. Okay, I think this will be actually easier than I thought. Okay, I forgot a new line. I know that C++ now has print line, is pretty interesting. It's like a printf, but with an automatic new line. Okay, this looks interesting. Ignore file cache. Is that what's going on here? So ignore file cache. Bonus levels available. Okay, all good. So just go here to flag defaults. So const and pointer flag defaults. Flag defaults I. Okay, So now I have all the flags in their default values. Ignore file cache, whatever. So just go here. Bam. So this is what I'll use for the rest. Flag, and I'll uh, two. So they are 17. Alrighty, that's good. Okay. Soak smoke. I know it's 10. Now I can do int string. Now I do string, but this is the weirdest one, right? So I know it's 10. Oh, string defaults, right? 10. Okay, so these are the defaults. I need the names. The names are down here. This guy. Very nice. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, now it looks good. It was really atrocious what I did. Oh my god, this is kind of sad. This screw. Alrighty, so now I just need to reload the file. That's what happened. Whatever. Game title. Okay. Okay, great. Oh, that was good. That was good. That was good. So, is this good enough? I think no. I think I still need to fix the size of the structure. So Toby, Spider-Man. Store token. So there's the unget token that I need to inline. I need to uncomment this. Okay. So there's two things to this. So there's this value thing. And there's an get token, right? That I should inline. So then the parse. What? Flags. Okay. So OS developer options, okay. No, okay, so this is the problem. Accessing local types with that guy. Okay. Whatever. Local types right here. So num flags. Shit, I forgot. It's 102. 102. Num strings is 10. And num ints is 17. So here you do OS developer options pointer. Oh, yeah, there's an issue there. Flags 4. Oh, my bad, my bad. Can I edit this? Edit type. And then there's a void v table. Yeah, I forgot that there's a v table up there. Yeah. Seems to be a little out of place. V10. But yeah, okay. So let's just validate these, right? So flags, this guy. So EDI plus 4. Okay. So what I can do is my assertions. Yeah. OS developer options. Right, and do validate size, OS developer option 0, validate flags there, then ints, then void. Okay, those things are tightly coupled. So let's run the validation, right? So it's not taking a gfeed start, check the 0, ints, I got BC. Oh, okay, that's good. So int, so this is the ints BC. Okay, indeed. So that is correct. Oh yeah, I forgot to put here BC. So I build this. I don't know why it sometimes takes longer. You see this? And now I just need to be super duper sure with this guy. ADDI 6C. So strings should be 6C. Strings should be 6C. Are they? Validator, why are you so slow today? They are. Okay. Okay. That's good to know. So it should start at 6C. Maybe I can get local types. Shit. Okay. Okay, it's like this. Now it makes more sense. So string x, then she's the strings. Now, okay, now it makes more sense the way it's done. And the exe name. Um, okay, it seems to be there, but who cares? All right, so let's just do a quick comparison then on this parse. So parse, sorry, 44, 33, 44. They seem to be quite similar though. What am I missing? Wait, did I finish the album? No, of course not. Okay, I just did the 2-hour mark. I should finish this soon. This is really good. This is what I want to see. Ah, there's a call to new line there. That's interesting indeed. So new line. I do this, maybe it will be the tipping point. Okay. Was not gonna catch that in a million years. So yeah, 16 bytes seem like seems a little crazy, but seems good. So parse. 33B. Yeah. 44, like to be the same size and never. I think I did it really well. Yeah. So get token. No, parse, I mean. This guy, I'll give it an okay and matching. This is really good news for me. Okay, so let's just save this, save workspace. So where I commit, I need to do the parse thing. So what's the address of parse to begin with? Here's parse. This is the address. Parse. That's cool. What else do I need? I need to fix this name. This evil name. And yeah, it looks good. So now I can go to parse. And maybe I should also export the makefile. Yeah, to be Mac. So git status. Untracked. So those things are untracked. So yeah. So and let's copy and let's test it, right? I didn't want to close it, for fuck's sake. So if the game boots and I have the proper flags, like with the debug stuff, I'd say it was success. Yeah, it's working. Ah, beautiful. Oh shit. They got... Fuck, they are getting me. Oh, no, no, no. I'm about to die. Okay. Okay, GG. Okay, it's working. 90 thanks. So, INI parser. Get token. Oh, wait. This is not working. This is not working. This is not working. Fuck. I was running a different version. Fuck. Okay. Please. Finish. Okay. Because I remember the 90. Okay, it's working. Or else the flags wouldn't be, you know, this way. You go. Yeah, okay, it's working. So, yep. Git diff. Git status. Yeah, I can push this. This is a really good stream, I gotta say. Toby. So I can close this. Let's see how the progress went so far. So yeah, this is the INI parser. Debug util, yep. Flags over here, show debug text. 1, okay. Force non-crawl and difficulty. Okay. Random seeds. Fog blue, debug timeout, frame lock, record demo, playback demo. Kind of interesting. INI parser, yeah, it's the biggest one. Yeah, there's that thing over there. Maybe I should do OS developer options tomorrow, since now I can do it. I commented a bunch of stuff because, yeah. Yeah, this is the dumper that I used. Fuck. Such a cool thing. DSP. And it succeeded. Okay. This is really good news. So let's close this. Yeah, doing the whole class like this in a one shot is crazy. Crazy. So yeah, I'd like to thank anyone that came to my stream. Today I did really cool progress, but yeah. So yeah, here's the link to my blog, and enjoy everyone, and see you on the next stream. Bye.